this amazing view. Nandito na kami sa tapat ng cliff. So first time natin na may sobrang bango. Look at our view guys. Tingnan nyo. So nandito lang tayo sa tapat ng One Cam Lake. Try kami mag-grab food dito sa Vietnam. Hey besties! Good morning! So today is our day na babalik ulit tayo from Sapa going back to Hanoi. Naligpit na namin lahat ng gamit namin. So, nandito na yung mga gamit namin sa luggage. Ayan, luggage number 1, luggage number 2, and our third luggage. Ayan, we are so ready na. Let's go! My room! We love our room guys, as in all fairness, no? Ang ganda talaga niya, tapos tingnan nyo, ang lawak. Good for 4 person to, supposedly. So, mura talaga siya guys. Then, you got to have this kind of view. Which is medyo foggy. Pero, nung other day, hindi siya nag-fog. Maganda talaga yung view sana dyan guys, if ever hindi siya fog. Kasi, mountain view. So, yan, pwede kayong mag-work dito. Tapos, tanay, ang ganda niya talaga. So, meron din siyang heater. Yung bed nila dito guys, meron ding heater. Ayan siya. Yan. Tingnan nyo yung parang white, yan, heater yan, you can set that up if you want na medyo init yung kama nyo. So by the way guys, yung sasakyan ulit natin is yung G8 na Sapa bus. So very convenient talaga yung G8 bus na sasakyan natin guys, kasi ano siya, they really communicate us through WhatsApp guys, as in nag-a-update talaga sila na ganito, ganyan, ganyan, tapos may free pick up sa hotel, tapos free drop off sa hotel naman ninyo. See you later guys, mag-check out na kami dito sa Phong Nam Hotel. Ang name pala ng pinagstayan namin dito sa Sapa is Phong Nam Hotel, which is malapit lang siya sa Sun Plaza or yung Sapa Station. As in, sobrang ganda ng location niya guys. As in, I highly recommend this hotel. If naka-avail kayo na without free breakfast, you can purchase naman the breakfast dito sa hotel. Nagbayad lang kami 70,000 Vietnamese dong per person. And only or buffet na siya. Ayan, so check out na tayo. See you guys later sa lobby. Sa lobby na lang kami mag-wait doon sa shuttle bus namin or shuttle car. We're going home sa Hanoi. Paakyat kami. Kasi yung reception nila is sa 5th floor. All good no? Wala nang naiwan. Thank you so much, Sapa! As in, sobrang ganda ng Sapa, guys. And we love the weather so much. Inulit ko lang yung pants ko. Diba, ito yung sinuot ko sa airport. Pero inulit ko lang kasi very, siya, convenient. Nabili ko lang to sa, sa Thailand. Tapos, very, siya, guys. Comfy talaga siya. And I super love it. Our shuttle is here na. Oh. Okay. Yay! Tayo yung first. Oh. Your bag. Guys, pwede bang sabihin na mag-alpine coaster muna kami, kuya? Ihatid mo muna kami doon. Guys, para tayo na sa Squid Game, guys. So, may another passenger tayong pinick up dito. Sa ibang hotel naman. Wow, I love the lightnings. Lightnings. Let's go. Hey, besties, ayun, nandito na tayo sa kung saan tayo dinap off before. Dating dito sa Sapa. Dito tayo dinap off. So, dito din tayo sasakay ulit ng bus. Update guys, nabudol kami. Yung parang chestnut, parang hupya na kinain natin kahapon, no? So, 70,000 Vietnamese dong. Isang box na siya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Ganito na siya. Parang pwede siya for pasalubong, guys. Ayun. Masarap naman in all fairness. So, we are still waiting for our bus. Parang nandyan na siya. Sa tabi-tabi. Ganito siya, guys. Oh. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung bus natin, G8. I highly suggest this bus guys kasi very convenient talaga siya. At saka yung service nila or customer service. Let's take off our shoes again.
What's the name?
Chelsea. Shell. Yes. This one? Dito tayo guys. Ay, God. So, ito lang talaga yung medyo hassle na part.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Where's your shoes?
Yes, my shoes.
Yes. We're finally almost settled in. Larga na. So, matutulog muna kami guys. Kasi it's a 6 to 7 hours na bus ride. So, most probably, same pa rin yung pagdating natin sa Hanoi na mga 7 p.m. na sa Hanoi na tayo. Same scenario siya na pumunta tayo sa Sapa from Hanoi. I'll see you guys later. Matulog na kami kasi maginaw. As in, sobrang ginaw. Hey besties, we are finally here sa Hanoi. So, same pa rin. Ito na tayo para sasakay ng ating shuttle car. Ayan, ito siya. So, hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina guys kasi natulog lang. Tapos, if may stopover is nag-CR lang talaga. Hey besties, so kami yung unang hinatid. So, actually, Airbnb yung pinagstayhan natin. Okay. And we're here na. Ayan siya. Dito tayo guys sa Cube B&B. So, papasok tayo dyan sa coffee na yan. Thank you. So, yan guys. Dyan tayo mag-stay. Okay, let's go. Guys, so, need natin pumasok sa coffee shop na to para sasakay tayo sa elevator. Kaya mo yan? Thank you. Excuse. Thank you. Ayan. So here is the elevator. So, di ba guys? Mayroon tayong hideout. Sa taas tayo. Let's go. Ang nice din, no? Ang nice din niya guys. Parang kakaiba din experience. So may ano siya, coffee shop siya sa baba. So pwede tayo, wala na guys, sabi niya ayun na niya mag-dinner. Pero nung pumunta kami dito sa Old Quarter, parang boom! Nag-iba ang gusto niya. Here is our room. So binigyan na lang kami ng passcode. Wow! Wow! Hey! Whoa! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my gosh! Ano ang bango! Wow! Supposedly guys, ito talaga yung gusto namin i-stay sana for the whole duration ng aming Vietnam. Kaso lang, some of those dates kasi is hindi na siya avail. So yun, tingnan nyo guys, we have balcony! Hey besties, we finally made it! So nakapag-check-in na kami guys. So ganyan lang kadali talaga yung, oh my God, thank you Lord for guiding us talaga. So ganyan lang talaga siya kadali, kabilis nung nag-check-in tayo guys. No? So mag-room tour na tayo guys. It's lucky! Wala na, excited na kami sa room guys. Okay, so tara, room tour na tayo guys. So ayan. So, dyan yung door. So, binigyan na lang kami ng passcode kasi smart lock siya, which is very, very convenient, guys. Tapos, dito sa kabila niya is eto. May keycard lang. Switch lang to. Ayan. Then, here is the sink. Meron din cabinet. Tapos, ito sink. So, sa Airbnb namin siya na-book, guys, ha. I will just put the link on the description box below. Guys, you might consider this kasi mura siya. Tapos, promise, I swear, ang ganda. So, eto siya. Meron na parang switch dito, tapos may outlet. So, yan, sink. Pwede tayong magluto dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Tapos may heater. Ayan yung sink. So, another switch, tapos yung outlet. Ayan siya, guys. Oh my God, ang gundo dito. Can we extend? Char! So, 2 nights lang tayo dito, guys. Before tayo babalik sa Hong Kong for our layover. And after Hong Kong is yun na. Uwi na tayo going back to Cebu. Ayan lang siya. Then another here cabinet. Yan. So may trash can over there. So this one naman. Ayan lang. Then we have here ref. Tapos dito guys is CR. So meron lang tayong mirror. Tapos may hair dryer tayo. So may outlet din dyan. Sink. Tapos merong baso lang. Ayan. So meron din ganito soap. Tapos shampoo. And shower of course. So rainfall din yung shower na yan. So merong heater. So yan. Yung choices niya. Then this is toilet. May bidet din sila guys. Ayan. Then they provide us tissue. Then meron ng trash can here. Sobrang linis in all fairness naman. Di ba? Ang liwanag niya at ang aliwalas. So here is our dining table guys. Ayan. So ito yung mga nabili lang namin kanina. So yan. Here is our dining table. Then, meron ding saksakan dyan. Then, here is the TV. So, yung TV nila, guys, amazing! Kasi Netflix ready, Prime Video. Then, meron ding YouTube. So, we can play our YouTube here, char. For monetization. Charot! So, outlet. Then, merong malaking sofa bed. Tapos, ganito siya. Ayan. Meron ding ganito. You can turn this down if you want privacy and all. Ayan. And here is our bed. Here's our bed. So, merong mga switch dito, tapos outlet, and cabinet. Ding, 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 cabinet. Wow. In all fairness. Guys, piyong sa mo, piyong. Guys, piyong muna kayo. Wag kayong kukurap. Charot. So, there is the aircon pala, guys. And, the most amazing view. Oh my gosh! We have balcony, guys! Tingnan nyo! Balcony ng Hanoi Old Quarter! Di ba guys? Amazing! Wow, 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 wow! Dude, wow! Ayun, grabe ba? Oh, amazing! Ayan, oh. So, we're planning to eat there, guys, later on. Ayan. So, baka dyan kami kakain. O, diba guys? Amazing! Ayan, so yung room natin. Tapos, balcony, old quarter na. Then, meron pa lang ano dito guys, oh, side table lang. Dyan. So, ito, pwede nyo na itong ibaba if you want privacy and all lang. So, I guess that's it guys. Ayan, another tour. Ayan, quick tour. Ayan, so ganito yung room natin guys. In all fairness, good for two. Malawak na siya. As in, mura lang talaga yung pagkuha namin dito. And dito sana kami mag-book sana from day 1 talaga. Kaso, fully booked siya on that day eh. So, yung avail na lang na day is from 21 until 23. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung balcony guys, as in. So, yan yung parang boom, gusto ko talaga yun eh. I don't know how did I discover, pero may nakita lang akong video yata sa TikTok, something like that. Then, ano kasi siya, kanang Airbnb siya. You can also communicate them through Instagram, guys. I will just put the link on the description box below. Pero I suggest mag-ano kayo sa Airbnb kasi sobrang bilis doon. Kasi nandun lang lahat. Once you book, you can communicate the host there. So, you know naman na we love Airbnb. Diba? Sa Taiwan, nag-Airbnb tayo. Sa Thailand, nag-Airbnb tayo. Sa Vietnam, nag-Airbnb tayo. Although, nung first day natin, tsaka second day, or second night is sa Hanoi Traveler House. Maganda din yun. Pero, you might also consider this one, guys. Kasi, ano?
You should.
Yeah, you should. As in, check na lang the dates if it's available. Kasi, ang ganda niya, guys. Tapos, pwede kayong magluto. Diba? Kung may pancit canton kayong dala, you can cook here. So, yeah. I'll just put all the details, guys, on the description box below. Okay, besties, ayan, nakababa na kami. Kakain muna kami ng dinner kasi yung lunch lang namin, guys, ano yun, sausage. So, we're here again. Tingnan nyo, yung baba ng aming elevator. So cutie. Guys, dito tayo kakain. So, dito kami, guys, yung parang may Japanese food. Katapat lang ng aming pinagstayhan. So, dyan tayo, guys, kanina.
May ilaw.
Yung may ilaw. Oo pala, no? So, ayan. Tapos yung QBNB, dyan lang. So, we will be staying here. Oh my God, ramen. Sige, mag-ramen tayo, baby. Okay, sige go, whatever you want, Char. Lason. Share lang tabi, babe. So yan guys, nandito na tayo. Tapos na din kaming umorder. So more or less siguro ng mga 300,000 yung lahat-lahat na yun. Pero okay lang siya guys kasi yung lunch namin is sausage lang naman. Which means yung nagastos lang namin kanina is 35,000 lang naman. So we're waiting na lang for the food to be served. So yan, nandito lang kami sa tapat ng street. So first time natin maka-experience na ganito. Pero Japanese food yung kinain namin, hindi Vietnamese food. Ito talaga yung uso ng Vietnam. So Laishu bells guys. So they provide us this one tissue, tapos may toothpick, and this one is for chopstick. Mag-uwi tayo ng dalawa. Char. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Day 2. Day 2? I think Day 2. Ay, no, wait. What's the name? Oh, Day 2. Day 2 Japanese food. Ayan. Day 2, Day 2. Ayan. Basta katapat lang siya. Ito yung palang logo niya siya. Ayan. Basta katapat lang siya ng QB&B. Nandito na yung chicken natin. Ayan. Sobrang bango. Ang sarap. So, ayan. We're waiting for other food. Ayan! Ay, joke. Akala namin sa amin. Excited. Ayan, okay, let's eat. Try natin. Yung in-order pala namin guys is yung chicken. Ano yung karagi? Tapos meron kaming beef rice, something.
Karagi is chicken.
Ay, karagi is chicken pala. Tagsa kami ni John. And then meron din kaming tonkatsu ramen. So we are so excited for that one kasi we've been craving Japanese food guys kasi kahit nasa ano tayo, Vietnam. Dito na yung ating ibang orders. So meron tayong beef rice, tapos meron din tayong, or binigyan tayo ng libreng miso soup. So by the way guys, upon checking pala sa Airbnb ko na app, no, yung nabayaran lang pala namin for 2 nights is only 2,747 guys. That's good for 2 nights na. Tapos dalawa na yan. Good for 2 person na yan. Tapos you get the balcony and the view of Old Quarter. Guys, grabe, sobrang sulit niya. Only talaga guys, meron siyang available na dates no sa first night namin. Dito talaga kami mag-book. Kaso ano siya eh, fully booked siya. So, ayun. Medyo pricey siguro yung Hanoi Traveler House if i-compare mo dito sa Airbnb. Pero, yung sa Hanoi Traveler House is meron na siyang free breakfast. Good for 2 na rin yun. You might check talaga this Airbnb guys. I highly suggest talaga. So, tara guys, kain na tayo. So, yung hinintay lang namin is yung ramen na lang. So, we can eat na our rice. Yung chicken nila guys, ang sarap. Magkinamot ko eh, kaya lamig. Magkinamot. So, yan. Wow! Ang sarap! Guys, kain kayo dito. Tatapat lang ng QB&B. If you want Japanese foods here in Old Quarter, Hanoi. Grabe ha! Grabe ha! Kinaon! Kapit na mahurot! Ayan guys, yung noodles natin or yung tonkatsu ramen. Wow! Okay, thank you! Thank you! Cool! Wow! Ang sarap! Ang sarap, uy! Natulala kasi ang sarap! Oh, thank you Lord for the food. Oh, ang sarap. Can I help? Hey besties, ayan, tapos na tayo kumain doon sa Japanese restaurant. And right now, nag-try kami mag-explore dito sa Old Quarter or yung mga katapat lang sa aming pinag-stayhan. You guys, malapit lang sa aming pinag-stayhan. Pwede din to for pasalubong. Ayan siya. Marami pala dito, uy. Ayan oh. Wow. Obs. Ay, tulog ba? Wow. Hey besties, we are finally here at Laika Cafe. So this is very famous na cafe din dito sa Vietnam. And as you can see guys, doon is Phong Cam Lake. And ito yung order namin guys, tingnan niyo. So that's our order. Sa akin is pearl milk tea with
Vanilla ice cream.
where's the vanilla ice cream? Ah, okay. Sa mukha pa na mag-ibutang bugigana. Ayan o, pearl milk tea with vanilla ice cream. Wow. Tapos kay Jan is matcha latte, and then nag-order din siya ng chocolate ice cream. And look at our view guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan siya. Ayan. So nandito lang tayo sa katapat ng One Cam Lake. So yan yung One Cam Lake. Tapos yan yung natin guys, so pinag-tour natin, 'di ba? Yung city tour. Ayan, yung bus na yan, yung first day natin. So ito yung pinagkainan natin ngayon. Laika Cafe. Ayan. Sobrang mura din dito guys. In all fairness, sa amin lang is napamahal dahil nag-additional kami ng ice cream. Pero okay naman, gelato. Yeah, gelato ice cream pala yan. Try the ice cream first. Kakaiba din to Lahat ng nabayaran namin guys is 175,000 Vietnamese dong. So yung vanilla ice cream yung sa akin pala is 75,000. Tapos yung matcha latte 65,000. Tapos yung gelato na ice cream is 35,000. So all in all 175,000 Vietnamese dong. Not bad no? From its location. Tapos yung cafe na to guys, famous talaga siya dito sa Vietnam. Hey besties! Ayan, nasa room na kami. And hindi na ako naka-update sa inyo guys kasi nalobat na yung camera ko. Pero apparently guys, nag-ikot lang talaga kami doon sa Phong Cam Lake. Tapos naglakad lang kami going back here sa aming accommodation. And so far guys, ang ganda din ng location namin kasi malapit siya sa mga local stores and mga markets. Ayan, yung mga parang pwede siya stores for pasalubong, ganyan. As in, sobrang lapit lang namin. Ayan guys, I guess matulog na tayo, no? Kasi it's already... What time is it? So, 10:51 PM na sa Pinas and dito is 9:51. So, I guess that's it guys for today. And tomorrow is last full day talaga namin yan dito sa Vietnam. And maybe, mag-tour siguro kami dun sa mga parang mga museum ganyan. So, we will see kung ano magagawa natin tomorrow. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you so much for joining us with our Vietnam vlog. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Charis. And of course, follow me guys on social media at DChelsea on TikTok and Instagram. Although, hindi ako masyadong updated sa TikTok guys. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much. Bye! Hey besties, update. It's currently 11:08 PM and hindi pa kami natulog guys kasi nag-Netflix kami. Ayan. Nag-watch kami ng 18 again. And then, may nabudol. Nag-try kami mag-grab food dito sa Vietnam. Ayan guys, so nag-order kami ng food sa Popeyes. Nag-grab food lang kami. And, yung order namin is, ano to bebe? Calamari. So, 4 siya, no? Tapos, okay.
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders. Okay, try natin. Okay, ganito siya. Calamari. Yung nabayaran pala namin lahat is 158,000 Vietnamese dong.
Pero binigay ko 160.
And kasali na yung parang service fee or delivery fee. So, ayan. Ano lang, pang snacks lang. So, yan o. Ito is parang tender. Ah, wow! Ano saan siya? Chicken tenders. Ayan siya. Ito yung forma niya, guys. So, ilang pieces siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces na ganun. Tapos, yung calamari. Ayan. So, yan lang yung order namin. So, ito yung pang pulutan namin while mag-Netflix. Charis. Ayan. So, yun guys. Update ko lang. Share ko lang. So, hassle-free talaga yung Grab dito guys. I highly suggest also if you know, midnight snacks nyo tapos nagutom kayo, you can choose Grab Food. So yan guys, thank you so much for joining us. Buyers! Good night na talaga. Mag-chill lang kami. Buyers!